Am I the only one that didn't know you could make the most delicious chili in an Instant Pot? Let's dive in. First, set your Instant Pot to sauté mode and add a splash of olive oil. Toss in your diced onion, minced garlic and chopped bell peppers. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. Now sprinkle in the chili powder, cumin and smoked paprika. Cook for another minute to release those amazing flavors. Next, add the rinsed quinoa, black beans, kidney beans, diced tomatoes and tomato paste. Pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Close the lid and set the Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 8 minutes. Once done, let it naturally release pressure for 10 minutes, then manually release the rest. Serve it up with some avocado, cilantro or vegan cheese on top. And there you have it, an easy, hearty vegan chili that's perfect for any day of the week. For slow cooker fans, follow the same steps for sautéing, then transfer to your slow cooker. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, please comment below, hit the thumbs up button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to subscribe. All these actions help the channel and help me create more content for you to view. After all, it's free.